That's all they need, so.
Yeah.
This is a bad move.
Ooh, stopped him again. 4th down.
One more time.
Looks like it's about the 1.5. Let's see what he's going to call on 4th and goal. I would think so.
Really good. Like, it was a backpack.
Oh, it's a fumble. Vestal ball, I think. Yep, Vestal ball. Nice job, defense. Now Trick's getting the offense out of the shadow of the goal line. For second quarter, should be close to gone.
Yeah, you would think so. I think that's why you week all the time out. Just before that.
Yeah, let's see if we get a good play call here to find something, or if we're just going to try and run it out. Yeah, he got back to the line of scrimmage, I'd say.
He held on to the ball.
Oh, no, maybe not. He moved back a little. Yeah, 2.5. The guy at the marker moved back. The referee put it at the 3. The guy at the marker isn't looking. Second down at the 3, regardless of what this guy with the marker says over here. He moved back and the ref didn't. That's it. The half, it's 14-7.